Hi everybody, I'm Edie. Welcome to Midlife Crisis. Today we're just going to do a really quick update. It's going to be a very short video of the things we've done to the GSXR. So let's pan you around. And right, first thing we did was this double ball screen. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. It's made a load of difference, taken a lot of the wind off the helmet, made a fabulous difference for us, or for me as a rider. Yeah, very noticeable. Didn't think it would be, but it is. Special auction site, as we know. £27 I think it was delivered. I think it came from China. Also, if you can see these, put these in. Just a screen bolt kit, which I really like. Again, same site, Jeeps chips, not an issue. Walking around, carbon fibre tank for the top, just sticky pads. Guess where they come from. Okay, down to the tank pad. Now originally this had a red and black one on, didn't do anything for me, and didn't know whether I would fancy this or not, so we bought another red and black one, decided I didn't like it, and we bought this one. 2-wheel centre, superb. 20 something pound, so we're not spending a great deal. Okay, lock from my phone, as you can see this here. Quad lock, dead easy. Phone goes on, clicks on, press that to release it, comes off. Not had any issues at all with my phone losing my phone. Excellent. Again, you guessed it, usual auction site. Or was that? No, that might have been actually from the other auction site that delivers next day. 100% sure on that one. Also, these little GSX are they're just stickers. They look like carbon, but they're just stickers. And again, same thing, same place. It all came together with this piece here. Right, if you saw my video from yesterday, went on the ride out, this is the GoPro sticky pad, absolutely solid. So we'll be putting the Hero 7 on the back, get some better footage from the rear. Okay, put RNG crash pings on the front and on the back, paddock stands, and of course now we've got this RNG engine cover. Again, not massively expensive, and I think they were only about £70. New sprocket on the back, just because I wanted, well, I've had new chain arm sprockets just because the others were really dirty. Massive chicken strip on the back tyre, even though I feel like I've been hanging it over, which I obviously haven't. And obviously then, yeah, just crash bungs. And we have the Arrow can, which we took out yesterday and sounds absolutely phenomenal. And I think that's all the updates for now. Obviously there's the tail tidy as well, but that was actually already something I did before. So other than that, that's everything. So again, thank you so much for watching. Dead quick video today, just to go around like I promised, a bit of a walk around the bike. Absolutely loving the bike. We've had it just over a year now and just can't get enough of it. We are looking at probably getting some sort of a winter bike at some point. We'll watch this space and see what that will be, and you never know, we might go back down the VFR road, but we'll see. Just fancy the shaft drive and the power. Also my con stand, as you can see, I've done a video on that already, but absolutely mind-blowing with that. I think it's absolutely superb. I love it to bits. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, press the bell, share with your friends, do whatever you need to do. We're getting so close to having those 200 subscribers. It'd be really good to do that, because I never thought I'd get 20. So take care everybody, ride safe, look after yourselves, bye bye.